Hey everyone, welcome back to Lucyverse. If you've ever wanted to make high-quality videos without spending hours editing or filming yourself, this video is for you. Make AI videos like this. Today, I'll show you the 2 best paid AI websites that can make stunning videos for YouTube, social media, or even business use. We're not just naming them. I'll compare pricing, show real results, and tell you which one is actually worth paying for in 2025. So grab your coffee, relax, and let's start the test.
Part 1. Why paid AI video tools are worth it. You might be wondering, there's so many free AI video tools online, so why pay for one? Here's the truth. Free AI tools are great for testing, but they often come with watermarks, low resolution, slow rendering, and no commercial rights. If you're serious about growing a YouTube channel, brand, or business, investing in a premium AI video maker is worth it. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a sports car. Both move, but one gets you there faster and looks way better doing it. Part 2. Website number 1. Synthesia. Alright, first on our list, Synthesia.io, one of the most advanced and most professional AI video generators right now. You simply type your script, choose a realistic AI presenter, pick a language or voice, and Synthesia turns your text into a full HD talking video within minutes. Perfect for YouTube explainers, tutorials, or business ads. Features. You get access to 150 plus AI avatars, people who can talk naturally in 120 plus languages. It supports custom voice cloning, so you can even make videos in your own voice. Comes with custom backgrounds, subtitles, music, and brand templates. You can change camera angles, gestures, and even add your own face if you want realism. I tested Synthesia using one of my scripts, and honestly, the results are mind-blowing. The lip sync and expressions look like a real person recorded it. Pricing and plan. The starter plan costs around $15 per month, which gives you 10 minutes of AI video per month, full HD, watermark-free, and you own the commercial rights. If you're a business or YouTuber making frequent content, the higher plans give more minutes and advanced editing options. Pros and cons. Pros: professional, realistic avatars. Easy drag-and-drop interface. Fast rendering and export. Commercial rights included. Cons: limited free trial. Doesn't yet create cinematic or full animation scenes. So, Synthesia is perfect if you want corporate, YouTube talking style or educational videos, but not for fantasy, story, or 3D animation yet. Verdict: for creators, agencies, or entrepreneurs who want professional facecam videos without hiring actors or recording yourself, Synthesia is 100% worth. Part 3. Website number 2. Pika Labs. Next, and personally my favorite, Pika Labs. While Synthesia focuses on human presenters, Pika is all about creating cinematic AI animations from text. You can literally type, "a girl flying through clouds on a Pegasus in slow motion," and it turns it into a movie-like video. Features. Pika is built for creators and storytellers. You can animate characters, camera movements, backgrounds, and effects, all with natural motion. It supports both text-to-video and image-to-video. So if you have an AI image, it can make it move. It outputs up to 4K resolution and even lets you extend scenes seamlessly. This is the kind of technology that filmmakers dreamt about 5 years ago, and now you can do it from your laptop. Pricing and plans. The free version gives you limited credits, but the Pro plan is around $10 to $20 per month, depending on usage. You get faster rendering, longer videos, no watermark, and access to their latest AI models. Pros and cons. Pros: cinematic results, easy text prompts, affordable pricing, great for storytelling and YouTube shorts. Cons: need strong prompts for best results. Doesn't handle dialogue scenes as well as Synthesia. Verdict: if you're a creative storyteller, filmmaker, or YouTuber who wants cinematic or emotional visuals, Pika Labs is the best investment you can make in 2025. Part 4. Head-to-head comparison. Let's quickly compare them. Features: Synthesia, Pika Labs. Type: talking avatar videos, cinematic AI animations. Ideal for tutorials, business, YouTube explainers, storytelling, trailers, shorts. Pricing: $29 per month, $10 to $20 per month. Output: professional presenter, dynamic motion scenes. Best use corporate/tech/educational, creative/fantasy/cinematic. So if you want AI humans speaking your script, go with Synthesia. If you want cinematic AI visuals and storytelling, go with Pika Labs. Both are worth paying for. It just depends on your goal. So there you have it. 2 of the best paid AI websites that can make videos faster than any traditional editor. I use both depending on the project. Synthesia for professional content and Pika for creative storytelling.
Part 5. Real-world uses and examples. Let's talk about real ways people are already using these AI video tools in 2025. YouTubers use Synthesia to make faceless tutorial channels. They write scripts, pick a presenter, and upload 10 videos a week. No camera, no mic. Businesses use it for staff training and product explainers, saving thousands in production costs. Content creators use Pika to make short cinematic reels and trailers that go viral on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. These aren't just experiments anymore. They're entire business models powered by AI video generators. Part 6. Tips to get the best results. Before you dive in, here are 5 pro tips that make a huge difference. 1. Write your script in natural, conversational tone. AI voices sound best with simple, human-like lines. 2. Always use short sentences for smoother lip sync. 3. Add pauses and camera cuts every few lines. It keeps viewers hooked. 4. Use premium English voices or realistic accents when targeting USA or Europe. It instantly boosts perceived quality. 5. And always render in 1080p or 4K for maximum retention and ad revenue. If you follow these, your videos will feel professional, even if they're 100% AI generated. Part 7. Future of AI video creation. Finally, let's talk about where this is going. By 2026, we'll see full-length AI-generated movies made entirely from text prompts. Companies like Runway, Pika, and Google Veo are already working on 60-second to 5-minute cinematic clips that look like Hollywood shots. Soon, you'll be able to describe a full scene. A sunset drone shot over New York, cinematic lighting, soft piano music. And the AI will create it automatically. That's why learning these tools now isn't optional. It's an opportunity. The earlier you start, the more ahead you'll be when this becomes the norm. Part 8. How to choose the right AI video website for you. Before you rush to buy any subscription, let's talk about how to choose the right AI website for your goal.
If you're a YouTuber who makes tutorials, tech explainers, or faceless channels, go for Synthesia or InVideo AI. They'll handle your scripts, voiceovers, and visuals automatically. You'll just upload and publish. If you're a storyteller or filmmaker, you'll love Pika Labs or Runway. They create cinematic shots, moving scenes, and emotions that no avatar tool can match. For marketers and businesses, always pick a platform that includes commercial rights. You don't want copyright issues when running paid ads or client projects. And if you're just starting out, don't buy the most expensive plan. Start small, test the workflow, learn how prompts work, and then scale up once you see results. Another smart tip: if you want to save money, combine tools. You can create your video base using Pika Labs, then import that into CapCut or Runway to add sound effects, color correction, and subtitles. This combo gives you Hollywood-style quality while spending just a few dollars per month. So, whether you're making educational videos, cinematic stories, or marketing content, the real power isn't just in the AI. It's in how you use it. AI is like electricity. Everyone has access, but only those who learn how to control it can build something great. And that's what separates ordinary creators from the new wave of AI-powered filmmakers. If you're watching this video right now, you're already part of that next generation. Comment AI Revolution 2025 below, so I know you watched till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who still edits manually. They need to see this.